Welcome back, guys. It's Nico with another YouTube video. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we'll be talking about support and resistance and a simple way to simplify them down. Okay, let's get started with support. Support is a floor, which means it would be the bottom of our, for example, channel, right? Okay. Resistance would be a ceiling, and it would be a top of a channel. Okay, or a range, all right, or a rectangle, however you want to call it. This would be our support, okay? This would be our ceiling, which is our resistance, all right? Simple, right? Now, let's see how we can spot them. Let's jump into a chart. I usually go by, I need 3 confirmations to tell if it's a support or if it's a resistance. So, for example, with GBP JPY, all right, this is the daily time frame. We'll go on a 4-hour. This right here would be a support, okay? Well, this would be a resistance, all right? So, as we can see, we have a massive area right here, all right? We have that break and we have that retest. A little bit of confirmation, okay? Where else? If we look back, where else can we tell? Okay. You got more areas right here. More areas right here. This is 2017 now. Okay, we have more areas. More areas. The daily time frame. We have more areas. More areas. Okay, so we have 1, 2. We have a bunch of areas here. If we keep even looking right here, right here, right here, right here, everywhere there are areas. We want more than 3. This is how we know this is a valid resistance. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at our support here for GBP JPY. How can we tell if this is a good support? Okay. We have one area right there. One area right there. This can be considered as a gap, which means it doesn't touch support, but there is a gap. Okay, so there's a little bit of a gap, which means it's still valid. Okay. Another area right here. Obviously, this whole area acted as major support. This area right here acted as support. All right, so that's how we can tell that that's a valid support. All right. Now, this is a daily support. This one right here, this line right here would be a daily support. Okay. So let's go ahead, put down daily support. Okay. And this would be our daily resistance, right? Daily resistance. Okay. Now, let's go to the 4-hour chart and see if we can spot more supports, right? This would be our next support, right? This would be our most recent support because we just crossed it. This was a resistance before, and we got across that resistance. Now this resistance acts as a support, okay? So, write down 4-hour. Wow. 4-hour support, okay? How can we check that 4-hour support? Let's tighten it up a little bit. We have an area right here, an area right here, of course. Let's go back. We have area right here, okay? So, area right there. We have an area right here. Can't make this up. I mean, we have area right there. You know, that can act as a support as well. Can be counted as a support. All right. I mean, look at that. That's, you can't make this up, you know. So, we need a few confirmations to tell of a support, all right? And this is how to spot it, and these are the big areas. When we look at our line chart, if you want to spot it a little bit easier, we can look at a line chart, okay? So, all right. When you guys do see, this is a little bit easier. Okay, so if we remove all of this, and for example, throw down a support, which would be somewhere around wherever price right here, throw down a support right here. Confirmation, 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 confirmation. Okay. This could be our next resistance to look out for. It's very close to the price, and this is why the price might be stopping slowly. Okay. Right here. Area, area, okay. Area, and now looks like we're having trouble with this area. All right, so simple support and resistance. How to trade them, of course. This is how I would trade them, and if we had of course, one of these rectangles, I would trade the same way I trade everything, just like that. Break, retest, break of that break and retest, and enter. Have a stop loss right here, okay? Now, how do we trade an uptrend support and resistance? All right, how would we trade an uptrend resistance? Okay, so it gets a little bit deeper into the Forex world, but we would buy, stop loss, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Okay, it's very simple. Just like the US 30 is doing right now, right? Buy, sell, sell, buy. This was an area of support, as we can see. This is another area of support right here. Area, okay. Area, area. All right. The price is where? At the top of its channel. It could potentially break out and come to test this massive resistance right here. Why is it a massive resistance, you say? Well, the price was having a lot of trouble in this area right here, in this area right here, okay? That's what I mean by massive resistances. They're big areas, okay? So price could easily come back up and go back up and break out of this trend line, and everything would be irrelevant. So we come back up to this resistance. I think we have a more likely chance of it coming back down, all right, and testing these resistances down here, and even a chance of heading back down to this channel, okay? Thank you guys. This is Nico. Thank you for the likes on the recent videos. Thank you for the subscribers. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. I hope you guys have a great day. This is Nico out. Peace.